Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use GPT-4 with images. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So I'm opening ChatGPT to show you how you can use that. So I'm going to show you demonstration in ChatGPT 3. So let me open a website for the images. Okay, and here I'm going to select this image for an example. Okay, and here I'm going to write, can you give me a description for this image, and here I'm going to select the link and paste here, hit enter. So ChatGPT, so here you can see that the image, elderly man with a gentle expression on his face, is wearing a blue shirt. So as you can see, sometimes it might be incorrect, but most of the time it will give you a good answer. And in ChatGPT 4 you can simply download this image and upload on the ChatGPT 4, and you can get a response about the image. So this is a simple process that you can apply in ChatGPT 4. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.